Hey guys, it's Stuart here, and in today's video, we're quickly going to show you where you can find the notifications and updates from your Facebook page. This may be people who are leaving comments and also other important features you may want to know about. Just before we do though, don't forget to leave a like down below and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And with that said, let's show you how to find the notifications on your Facebook page. Okay, so here we are on my business Facebook page. And in order to find the notifications, there are two different ways you can do it. The first way is through the Meta Business Suite, where you can click on here and go into the homepage of the Meta Business Suite. And you will then be able to see on the left-hand drop-down menu right here, the notifications which your page has received. And this will bring up all of the different things which have been happening on your page, such as ad approval, people who have liked your page, liked a post that you've done, or also left a comment as well. Now, if we were to go back and show you the simple traditional method of finding notifications on your Facebook page, we just go down onto the left-hand drop-down button on the left-hand side of the page. We scroll down until we see the notifications button and bell, and we are going to click on that. And that is again going to bring up the notifications for different things. So if you've got an ad that you're running which is based on engagement, if you're looking to receive updates and notifications on leads you may be receiving from your ads, this is the place that you want to go. And as you can see right here, I've got a wide variety of notifications, people that have commented on the link that I may want to respond to, people that have liked various posts, and a whole range of other things. So that's how you find the notifications on your page, two simple ways. If you found this video useful, please share this with anybody who may find it useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.